Classic Kitchens, etc. Jay Adams here. And we're in Glendora at a guest bathroom remodel that we just completed. It is the size of a master bathroom in most houses, but this one is a pretty special guest bathroom in that it's a little bit bigger than most. So it's got 2 sinks, it's got a really nice oversized shower. Well, we made it an oversized shower. And so let's go take a look. Okay, so let's start with the general construction. So this wall was not here. There was a shower behind this room. We made this into a water closet with a toilet. So this wall had to be built, plumbing had to be moved over here. This is a raised foundation, so we didn't have to cut concrete or anything like that, so that's good. We made this wall here so that the countertop dies in nicely to the side. We went with quartz countertops. A tiled vanity splash, which is really nice. This goes all the way to the ceiling. It's a herringbone, and we actually cut the floor tile into little bricks and then setting in a herringbone pattern. Turned out really nice. And then the clients provided these really cool mirrors, which I really like. And then we added these light fixtures, which the clients provided as well. Centered everything on the sinks. And there you have it. This is a white quartz countertop. Doesn't really have a lot of movement in it, and we wanted to keep that clean, kind of crisp look. And that's why we went with the slab doors and drawers for the face. So you can see this is it's a lot more contemporary type look. And this is a traditional type house, but we decided to go with a more contemporary look for this bathroom. And I think it fits really well with the whole layout of the house. They went more contemporary with the kitchen as well, so it all kind of starts fitting all together. We replaced this door here with a new interior 6-panel door, if you can see that, and then we added a door here for the water closet as well, which I'll show you in just a second. So like I said, we built this wall here, and this used to be a shower. We turned this into a water closet, so you could be getting ready in the morning and someone else could be using the bathroom. It's really functional, which is really nice. And keeps the water closet separate. It's more high-end to keep a water closet separate, New 6-panel door there. And then we did a new window here as well. This had a really old, this house was built in the 50s, I believe. And so it had a really old 50s style window. We replaced that with a new good slider. This is a single hung window. We put some mullions in the glass there, so it's turned out really good. Framed it out with some wood trim, and there you have it. So one tricky part to this remodel was this water closet, which we had to move the plumbing over here, which was pretty exciting. And then also there was a drop ceiling in here because this was a shower before. So we had a drop ceiling. We had to try to figure out how to give the most space, so we came up with wrapping. This is the exterior of the house right here, because it's a little pop out actually that pops out the house. And so this is an exterior beam here that we wrapped with drywall, and then we just sloped the ceiling here to give as much space as possible in the water closet as we can. And everybody's really happy with the way that turned out, so that means we're happy. Okay, so for the shower area, this was actually a tub previously. And we ripped that out and put it in the shower and tiled it all the way to the ceiling. Gives it a really clean look, I think, bringing the material to the ceiling. Especially, this is 8-foot ceilings. I think a must to go to the ceiling with 8-foot ceilings. Normal shower height is 7.5 feet, which would be here. So bringing it all the way to the ceiling, I think, is just it's a really, with an 8-foot ceiling, you might as well. 9-10 feet, you start to get in a little bit of it where it has to be a decision of what kind of design you're trying to do. But 8 feet, definitely I recommend all the way to the ceiling every time. And then in here, we did a hand shower. So, these are really cool. They move around. You can take it off. It's adjustable. So that's really nice. We did 2 niches in the wall with a tiled-in shelf. And this is a porcelain tile that's meant to look like a Carrara marble or like a Calcutta marble. And then we did a 3/8-inch upgraded frameless shower enclosure. So I think it turned out really nice. One with a brushed nickel finish, which matches everything else. You saw the vanity before, so everything matches really nice. And then we went with an offset floor, so the floor is kind of a concrete look, 12 by 24 tile, which I'll talk to you about in a second. Okay, like I was saying, the floor is a concrete type design. It's a 12 by 24. It looks like a concrete, but it has some pattern to it, which is really nice. That's the nice thing about porcelain tile is, you can pretty much make it look however you want with the new technology today. They have printed tiles, so it's basically they take a picture of whatever they want, they print it on the tile. Like the marble looking porcelain that I showed you in the shower, it really looks like marble because it's a picture of actual marble just printed on tile, so it's really cool. So I like the contrast with the dark floors. I really like dark floors if you're going to go lighter walls, and I really like light walls because it brightens up the space. So we went with the darker floor as an accent, and that matches the vanity backsplash as you saw. So these two things coordinate very nicely. And then we did a little special treat in this linen cabinet. The upper parts are just shelving, you know, for towels and everything, and then the bottom cabinet here has a little hidden hamper in here. That's a really cool feature. And that is this master bathroom remodel. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.